Number 3, here you're asking to factor. So let's set up our dashes, which is our factoring method. We're going to find two numbers that multiply to make 10 that adds up to the middle number of 11. Those numbers are going to be 1 and 10, 1 and 10. Then once we do that, we divide by the a term. So divide by 2x. Factored form. Oh, can we simplify? Yep, this becomes 1 over 2x. This simplifies into 5 over x. Factored form would be 2x plus 1 and x plus 5. B, same process. Find two numbers that multiply to make that's negative 30. That adds up to this middle term. This middle number in front of x is 1. That looks like it's 5 and 6. 5 and 6. 5. Wait, no. That would be impossible. 5 and 6, yeah. Because the middle number needs to be a 1. Okay. And then that's only possible if there's a negative and negative 5. Negative 5 times 6 is negative 30. Negative 5 plus 6 is 1. Then divide by 2x. Divide by 2x. Let's simplify. The first one cannot simplify. Negative 5 over 2x. This does simplify into 3 over x. We're left over with 2x minus 5, and then x plus 3 would be its factors. C, let's do this. 2 times negative 14, so we're trying to find two numbers that multiply to make negative 28. That adds up to that middle number of negative 3. Those numbers would look like 7 and 4, and the negative is on the 7. Negative 7 times 4 is negative 28. Negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3. Then we're going to divide by that 2x. Can this simplify? No, that does not simplify. Does not simplify. It just becomes negative 7 over 2x. This one does simplify, 2 over x. So factored form, 2x minus 7 and x plus 2. And then we have D. We want to find two numbers here that multiply to make 8 times 3, which is 24. Two numbers that multiply to make 24. That adds up to that number of negative 10, which is, I think, 6 and 4. Yep. But both of them are negatives because negative 6 times negative 4 is positive 24. Negative 6 plus negative 4 is a negative 10. We're going to divide by that term out in front, which is divided by x, divided by x. This does simplify. 2 does go into this. Negative 3 over 2x. And then this becomes negative 2 over, oh no, negative 2, nope. 4 goes into both, so negative 1 over 2x. So here, factor form, 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 1 would be its complete factors. There you go. That is how you factor.